been on the road now from 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm about roughly about half an hour away from Leeds. As you can see, I'm still on the coach. So I'll see you again when I get to Leeds. So I've just arrived at Leeds bus station behind me. I've got an hour until my next bus to arrive. So let's see what we can find to do in Leeds for an hour. So right next to it we have just Leeds General Market. Yes, I am.
Hello, Calvin. This is my husband, Peter. I'm Paula.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, nice to meet you. Come on in.
Nice to meet you too, Calvin.
Okay.
Come in, come in. Oh, this is Denzel.
Are you okay with dogs around?
Yes, I am.
Oh, right.
Hello, Denzel.
Denzel likes to say hello if he can. But we do always check first because occasionally we get people who are a bit nervous with dogs, so
right.
We just ask first. So,
Okay, that's brilliant.
Okay.
Come
Right,
in,
if you want to come into the dining room, Calvin, and we can, I'll just shut the door behind us. Alright, so have you been to Whitby before, Calvin?
No, this would be my first time.
Oh, lovely.
Oh,
Well,
nice,
if you want any
yeah,
advice
yeah.
on places to go and restaurants and things like that, then just give us a shout. And
I have been known to bore people to death with facts about Whitby, so I will leave you alone. Just let you wander.
Yeah.
Okay then. So guys, how long have you actually been operating here?
We've been here 12 years in November, it'll be. 12 years in November. We moved here November 2007. And it feels like yesterday still, really. And we just enjoy doing it and come on, Denzel, enjoy meeting new people. And of course, Whitby's a lovely place to live.
So I've just arrived at the hotel which I'll be staying at. So I'm a bit tired, but I'll do a room tour for you guys a little bit later. So let me freshen up and then I'll get straight to the room tour. See you in a bit. So I've just finished showering. So now I'm going to give you a tour of the room so you can have a good look at the size of the room and see if it's worth your money. Inside of the room. The bed over here. Tea and coffee here on the side. And here we have the bathroom. I'm just turning some light on here. So I've literally just took a shower inside of here. The place is clean, guys. The host is welcoming. She's really nice as well. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna head out to go get some food. And we're off again. So I'm gonna go take a walk down by the beach and have a look and see what it's like down there. So, as you can see, it's a nice area. It's literally just 2 minutes walk away from the beachfront. I don't know how good you can see that, but we'll get a bit closer. And there we are. Brilliant view. Nice little town. It's a bit late now. On the front. So this is West Cliff Beach.